Yo, I can't believe me actually remember to react to this, bro. I thought I did, but I didn't. And I've been having this thing on repeat for the past 2 weeks. So let's get into it. Tommy Lee, Brawling. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.
We are go for them brawling, calling and I clap it up from morning. From my body still link man conning. Man done reach off of trees and farming. Andrew, we are go for them brawling, for them.
Pull up. That Tommy Lee, yeah. Sick.
We are go for them brawling, calling and I clap it up from morning. From my body still link man conning. Man done reach off of trees and farming. Andrew, we are go for them brawling, no. True don't want him, go for them fast. We don't do the long talking, no. Go for them brawling. Me and my dog to follow me one program.
Tommy Lee pretty much I tell us, say, yo, man, come for your brawling. Any way, any day, any time, any night.
This Sparta and strong oil program. Trees bigger than 354 from YSGG code out the slogan. I know them, I wish them a slow down. See envy, not the people, my grow up. Dark militant clean for me home ground. M16 steady when me load up.
Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.
Ready, I gonna know now. Brawling, brawling. Outside from night till morning, yeah. No man cool like foreign. Dog them scrape and hunt today. Brawling, brawling. From my name them calling, yeah. Sniper, go feed them foreign. Tell them we no boast or brag. And we no post pan black. Badness now fi post pan status. If I war them want any token tap. Swear them bad me know them a capper. When the killer them ready, go test them please. Rifle make you rest in peace. We slide for them and left them street bloody. Psycho tip the line this sea. I'ma find them a bleach pon the corner. Shoot as I carry.
Yo, the way the man a flow and the way man, yo.
More heat than a sauna. The pussy them run like roach when the light turn on. Be a smooth now, time marijuana. You shoulda talk less. Roll with that talk clip. And if I war then I duck away I war. The back I feel haunted. Ghost on me target and anybody try stop it, a collateral damage, me heartless. Target my capper when the killer they ready, go test them please. Rifle make you rest in peace. We slide for them and let them see bloody. Psycho tip the line this sea. I'ma find them a bleach pon the corner. Shoot as I carry more heat than a sauna. Pussy them run like roach when the light turn on. Be a smooth now, marijuana. You shoulda talk less. Roll with that talk clip and if I war then I duck away I war. The back I feel haunted. Ghost on me target and anybody try stop it, a collateral damage, me heartless.
Yo, just hear the man a flow. Just hear the man a flow, bro.
Me no witches and any rifle. Leave up it off his sparking dog. We no talk it. Nigga they brawling, appalling. From a boy this in a coffin. Them gone me clock it. Brawling a rot it. Carcass a fall. If everybody in a darkness. Me walk with a tar thing. And that I make them far free. The shorty cut off. I fling them in a dark shit.
Brawling.
Brawling. Outside from night till morning, yeah. No man cool like foreign. Dog them scrape and hunt yeah. Brawling. Brawling, from my name them calling, yeah. Sniper, go for them firing. The killer them rich and bad. Contract signed by his top bad.
Oh, my girl look demonic. Like she will poison your food.
Killer them haunted bad.
Complete a new mission now. We give them a line, missing from deep in the love. Run up on them with the breeze.
Clear the way with the breeze, me come for this try. Boom. Anywhere we run the wrist, boy.
Yo! Well, I'm tired, you know. Go back up. Alright, pause this pantamely. No, listen. That song, yeah, me I played for about 3 days now. No, lie. 2 weeks now. 10 out of 10. The video, 10 out of 10. Calm, dark, just like how Tommy Lee always presenting video them. Very gothic, very graphic, and very self-explanatory. You see me? I think Tommy Lee's a great artist, yo. Would he have been bigger or probably known if he could have traveled to certain places like the US and other little places? Yes. You know what I mean? And I don't think Tommy Lee really cared about traveling, to be honest. Took up my phone, hold on. But however, I like to give people them flowers. See me? And Tommy Lee is a giant in a dancehall. Tommy Lee have his own column in a dancehall. In terms of, we have to bear in mind that Tommy Lee has his own genre in dancehall. You see me? The whole gothic dancehall theme. You understand? So we see a lot of people idolize Tommy Lee. You have the Roger Wild, you have the Craft, you have the I would say Skipper too, bro. I think Skipper actually idolized this dude, bro. But I could be wrong. Okay? But I think these guys have great talent. I think all these guys in dancehall right now have great talent. We just not see where them are put out the talent for making music. Them left from around Jamaica corner and go over the waters. And that's how artists them really and truly make money, is when them music start hit overseas and them start get some overseas booking and all that type of stuff. Isn't me, dog? But yeah, Tommy Lee, 10 out of 10. Song tough. There's nothing much you can say. The song by itself, the song sells, bro. And anybody who say the song no sound good or them not like it, you just being biased. Isn't me? But yeah, 10 out of 10. Big up Tommy Lee.